exercise 1.5, that we should write the following as decimals. Now we have seen how to express numbers, decimal numbers, as in standard forms. Now we are going to convert it back from standard forms back to decimal. So 3 times 10 raised to the power of 7 can be said to be move the decimal point 4 times to the left. And moving it 4 times to the left, since we have one digit in front of it, is going to have 3 other zeros before the 4th digit. So this is equal to 0.0003. Just like I said, if the decimal point is here, you move it 4 times, it gives you 1, 2, 3, and 4. So what you do is always subtract the number of digits before it and add that number of zeros. B, this is said to be 6 times 10 raised to the power of minus 5. So I'm going to add 4 zeros after the decimal point before 6. This is going to be 0.1, 2, 3, 4, and 6. C times 10 raised to the power of minus 1. This is going to be 0.257 because the power is 1. Subtracting 1 from 1 is 0, so you don't add any 0 to it. D, 3.8 times 10 raised to the power of minus 4. I'm going to move the decimal point 4 times to the left, meaning I'm going to add 3 zeros before 3. So this is said to be 0.123 and 38. Note, when you move the decimal point, you then add up all the numbers. E, this is 6.901 times 10 raised to the power of 2, meaning I'm going to move the decimal point 2 times to the left. This is going to be 0.06901. That brings us to the end of today's class. In today's class, we have been able to see how we can express decimal numbers in standard form and how we can equally express decimal numbers in standard form back to decimals. Kindly like our videos as you watch, while I recommend that you subscribe to my channel if you are yet to do so. Also turn on the notification bell so as to be notified whenever a new video is being uploaded. You can also use the comment section to interact with me on areas that are still difficult for you to understand. You can also send a link to your friends and family so that they can also benefit from our classes. Thank you and do have a nice day. See you in our next class where we shall be dealing with the basic operations of numbers in standard form. Thank you and do have a nice day.